I'm telling you, these countries are calling us up, kissing my... They are dying to make a deal. Please, please, sir, make a deal. I'll do anything. I'll do anything, sir.
अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए।
I repeat, the MPC voted unanimously to reduce the policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 6% with immediate effect. Growth rate we have reduced by 20 basis points this year, primarily arising out of the uncertainties. Uncertainty in itself dampens growth by affecting investment and spending decisions both of businesses and households. Second, the dent on global growth due to trade frictions will also impede domestic growth. Third, higher tariffs shall have a negative impact on net exports. There are, however, I may say, several known unknowns.
I think we are not seeing the light at the end of the tunnel yet.
India first is our mantra.
We're making a fortune with tariffs, $2 billion a day. Do you believe it? I was told $2 billion a day. It's very simple. We're making deals and people are paying tariffs. Countries are paying tariffs. Right now, China's paying a 104% tariff. Think of it, 104%. Now, it sounds ridiculous, but they charged us for many items 100%, 125%. Many countries have. They've ripped us off left and right. But now it's our turn to do the ripping. That's okay. We're going to make our country even stronger, stronger than it ever was.
On the inflation front, we have said, it can move actually both ways because of the surplus, because of the demand that is going to shrink as a result of the trade tariff friction.
this is a significant move by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Definitely has got some relief for us, some reason to cheer, because amid the Trump tariff heat, which also has kicked in from today for India and other countries, of course, this is being seen as RBI's rate cut therapy. RBI has slashed the key lending rate or repo rate by 25 basis points or 0.25% to 6%. This is the second such rate cut that we have seen in this year itself, which simply means that those who already have EMIs running on several home loans or vehicle loans, their EMIs are set to go down, and those who are preparing to take some kind of loan, for them it's good news because loan rate is going to get cheaper. Another important point that was made by the RBI governor today in his press conference was that he acknowledged the uncertainty that we are seeing, and he also said that in fact he began by saying that the year has begun on an anxious note. There are new headwinds for growth, even though on one hand crude oil prices have fallen sharply. They are at a 3-year low right now at $60 per barrel. For India, inflation is expected to remain under control, but global uncertainties can cast a shadow on our growth as well. Something that the government will also have to monitor and keep an eye on very, very closely. He said manufacturing is showing signs of revival. Investment activity in the country has gained traction. So while our domestic fundamentals, are going towards the positive direction, it's the international uncertainty that may have an impact for which we will have to be prepared. But, on the whole, for consumers, for middle class, there is some good news that has come in terms of a cut in repo rate. Apart from that, the growth forecast for the current year has also been brought down from the earlier forecast of the Reserve Bank of India, and that's largely because of the Trump tariff uncertainty. We don't know how it's going to really impact our growth going forward. So focus is now going to be on the trade deal between US and India. That will help us get another direction as to where we are headed.